Okay, good morning, class. Good morning, for everyone, for fifth grade. I hope you are fine. It's Roxanne. I hope you are fine. You are doing well. Um, you have your what? You have your breakfast. I understand you now. You have your breakfast. Remember, we don't eat in class. No debemos estar comiendo. We don't eat in class. Imagine that we are in the classroom, que estamos en el salón, we are in the classroom, okay? So remember these things, we are in class. Espero que estén bien, I hope you are fine, you have take a rest, hayan tomado un descanso, you have a take a rest. Also you share with your teacher, hayan compartido con su profe en la dirección de grupo, in your dirección de grupo. Okay, so today we are going to start with workshop number 2, el workshop number 2, that is talk about the keyboard, el teclado, keyboard, okay? So we are going to see like a short video, un video cortico, a short video about the keyboard, okay?
A few things about the keyboard. The keyboard is connected to the CPU by a wire. The keyboard has many small buttons called keys. These keys are pressed to type alphabets or numbers. You can see different sets of keys on the keyboard. Alphabet keys. You can type any letter of the alphabet using the alphabet keys. Number keys. You can type any number using the number keys. Arrow keys. You can use the arrow keys to move up and down, left and right on the screen. Function keys. You can do special jobs using the function keys. Special keys. The other keys on the keyboard are special keys used to do some special jobs. Some special keys are Control key, Delete key, the Tab key, the Spacebar key, and the Enter key. Summary. In this chapter, we learned about the functions of keyboard.
Okay, so this is like a short video, short video about the keyboard, okay? As we know, the keyboard is the function, the main function, la función principal, the main function is to type, escribir, type, on write on the computer, okay? So let me show you here, déjenme buscarlos aquí, let me show you here, a keyboard, un teclado. This is a keyboard, so let me do something more specific. Okay, so we have here the keyboard, el teclado, and the video says that we have different keys, diferentes teclas. Keys mean teclas, okay? This is like a computer, a keyboard computer for no like laptop, que no es de una laptop. This is like the normal computer that we have. Also, we have the keyboard in our laptop, en nuestro computador portátil, laptop, okay? So, as we know, we have the alphabetic keys, las letras del alfabeto. So we have these here, las tenemos acá. We have here the all alphabets. In our case, like in Spanish, tenemos la ñ. We have the ñ because it's the only language. Es el único, la única letra de nuestro idioma que solo la tiene, que es la ñ. Okay, so we have the letters with the ñ. In this case, not en este caso, in this keyboard, we don't have the ñ because this is a normal keyboard for other countries, para otros países, okay? We have the los números numeric keys, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Like in the, como les está diciendo, as I was saying, this is a keyboard for a computer, a normal computer. Entonces, normalmente los computadores normales tienen también instalado in this space the numeric numbers, okay? In this space, en este espacio, in this space, we have the arrow keys, las flechitas, arrow keys that you can move up, se pueden mover arriba, you can move down, you can move to the left, and you can move to the right, así como estoy haciendo con la imagen. As you can see, en este momento, in this moment, I use the keyboards, no sé, I don't know if you can see. I use the arrow keys. Estoy utilizando las letras arrow keys, las letras del teclado to move the picture. And we have some special keys, algunas teclas especiales, special keys, that are these, que son estas, there are these. This space here up on the computer, we have F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7. Cada una, each key has a specific function, tiene una específica función. In my case, en mi caso, cuando presiono, when I click on F1, se quita el sonido. When I click F2, se baja el sonido. When I click F3, se sube el sonido. Cuando les presiono F4, es para quitarle el micrófono de microphone. F5, it's to reload para que vuelva a cambiar para que vuelva a cargar la página, ¿ok? So, this is like a function keys que tienen special function, tienen una función especial, special function. We have absolutely the backspace, el borrador, como para borrar cosas, backspace, enter, cuando queremos hacer enter, cuando queremos buscar, when we say something in internet, le tenemos que dar enter, o cuando estamos en un documento y queremos hacer otro renglón, le damos enter, ¿ok? La letra shift también sirve para funciones especiales que también sirven con otras letras o con otros números, with other keys or other numbers or letras también, ¿ok? So we have here the control, the Windows key, the Alt key, el space key, la letra del espacio cuando queremos hacer espacio. Otra vez se repite, we repeat Alt, la letra, in this case, in my case, en mi caso, yo tengo la letra acá diferente, es otro control. Depende de cada computador, depending on each computer, ¿ok? I think you know something about, algunos sabemos muchas cosas, and we know something about the keyboard, sobre el teclado, keyboard. Entonces, this is the normal keyboard del normal computador, el teclado, the normal keyboard that we have, okay? So today we are going to do this. Let me search your book. Okay, so we have workshop number 2 in page 87, en la página 87, página 87, okay? So you're going to look at the picture, who is writing in the, okay. Okay, so you have here, tenemos un teclado, we have a keyboard here, as I was saying, and we have all the keys, todas las teclas, all the keys that we have in the normal keyboard, en el teclado, okay, in the normal keyboard. And we are going to do this. Vamos a hacer lo siguiente. Point number 1, look at the picture, mira la imagen, look at the picture, a color according to the teacher instruction. Van a colorear, you're going to color the key, la tecla de key that the teacher, me, is going to say. Les va a decir, is going to say, okay? Let me see who is writing. So we are going to do point number 1. And we are going to do point number 2, el punto número 2. What are you going to do? ¿Qué van a hacer? You're going to ask her what is each key it's for. Google it. Van a buscar en internet. You're going to search on internet. ¿Cuál es cada letra? What is each key? ¿Cuál es cada letra? What is each key? Y you're going to search the information, buscar la información, you are going to copy the information here, van a copiar la información aquí, and you're going to draw, lo van a dibujar, you're going to draw in this space. So this is the thing. Digamos, yo voy a buscar en internet, I'm going to search what is the Windows key, cuál es la letra de Windows, Windows key. So lo voy a dibujar acá and you like, yo la dibujo acá. I don't give you like, no les voy a dar tantas pistas like clues, but you have to search, tienen que buscar cuál es la letra, what is the Windows key, and you're going to write the information that you find en la información de la tecla. ¿Para qué sirve? What is the function? Entonces, la información, the information that I found, I'm going to write here. La vamos a escribir acá. I'm going to write here. Okay? So that's the idea for today. Point number 1 is with me, es conmigo. I'm going to say the keywords. Voy a decirles 5 keys of the keyboard, 5 teclas del computador, and you're going to color. Y las tienen que colorear. You're going to color, okay? And point number 2, punto número 2, point number 2, I am going to say, lo voy a decir, I am going to say, no, sorry, point number 2, sorry. You're going to search, lo van a buscar, you're going to search on internet, lo van a buscar y lo van a dibujar, okay? You're going to search the information, van a buscar la información, and you're going to write, van a escribir, you're going to write each key, cada letra, okay? Each key. So that's the idea for today, okay? We can start, vamos a empezar, we can start with point number 1, okay? So you're going to search, busquen, you have like your colors, sus colores, you have your colors, okay? So you have to color the key, la letra que yo les diga, okay? The key that I say. So you have to pay attention, tiene que poner mucho cuidado, you have to pay attention. I'm going to repeat 3 times, se las voy a repetir 3 veces, I'm going to repeat 3 times, and you're going to color, okay? An example, yo les digo, I say color the space keyboard, la letra del espacio, space keyboard. Es un ejemplo, it's an example, okay? So you're going to color, van a colorear, you're going to color the space keyboard, la letra de espacio, space keyboard. Okay? That's the idea, esa es la idea. That's the idea. So we are going to start, empezamos a start with the keyboard con la letra que les voy a decir. Okay, with the keyboard that I'm going to say. Okay, so the first key, la primera tecla, the first key that you're going to color, que van a colorear, is the key, the enter key, enter. Ok, enter key. La tecla de enter. Enter key. Okay, let's continue with other key con otra tecla. You are going to color, van a colorear, you are going to color the key, la tecla up, up, up. La que es como up, una point up. Okay, and we are going to finish, vamos a terminar, we are going to finish with the backspace key. Backspace key. Ok, lo voy a repetir. I'm going to repeat the three keys, las tres teclas que dije que colorearan. Ok, the first one, la primera is Enter key. La tecla de Enter key. La segunda, the second one is Up key. Up key. And the last one, la última, the last one is backspace key. Backspace key, la que borra. Okay? So this is like the three keys that you have to color. Las tres teclas que tienen que colorear. Pueden colorearlas with one color o different colors, diferentes colores. Okay?